Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nidhi Asodaria, third year resident doctor in anesthesiology, KIMS Schools. Here we have 70-year-old male patient having half finger mouth opening, post-op case of tongue carcinoma, left bilocal excision plus left modified neck dissection type 3, 20 days back, posted for revision surgery of neck dissection. We have planned for awake fiber optic intubation via nasal route. Patient was very well explained about the procedure. The patient was given pre-medication injection glycopyrrolate 0.2 mg, injection ondansetron 4 mg, injection fentanyl 80 microgram IV. Then we nebulize the patient with 2% lignocaine 3 ml prior to the procedure. To soothe the airway reflex and to ease the procedure, we give airway blocks. Here I am giving superior laryngeal nerve block. Cornu of the hyoid bone palpated, and then we hit the greater cone of the hyoid bone with 23 gauge 1.5 inch needle and walk over the cornu. Here thyroid membrane pierce and you will feel give away sensation. Then 2 ml 2% lignocaine injected after the negative aspiration. Same thing repeated on the other side. After this, to block the sensory input of recurrent laryngeal nerve, transtracheal injection of 3 ml 4% lignocaine is injected after piercing the cricothyroid membrane and aspirate the air. Here we see the aspiration of the air. Now more soothing the procedure, we use 10% lignocaine spray into oropharynx and nostril. Here you can see I am giving Otrivin drops for nasal vasoconstriction. Then 2% lignocaine jelly applied over fiber optic bronchoscope and after complete deflation of endotracheal tube, railroaded over it. Now fiber optic bronchoscope inserted through right nostril. It should be kept straight. Then bronchoscope is pushed gradually. During bronchoscopy, we make 3 movements. We can go in and out. We can rotate bronchoscope right and left and move lever up and down. Due to previous surgery, anatomy is distorted. Now you can see the tracheal rings. Trachea and guiding the scope in up to carina. Once we reach the carina, keep the bronchoscope steady over it and guide the endotracheal tube over it. And gradually I am pushing the tube. You can see inner opening of the tube and you can very well see it's not in bronchus. You will able to see radiopaque line of endotracheal tube while removing the fiber optic bronchoscope. Then endotracheal tube cuff is inflated and bag circuit is attached and see the bag movement. Endotracheal tube was attached with EtCO2 probe for further confirmation, which is gold standard for confirmation of endotracheal intubation. Here you can see patient is awake and following the commands. We have successfully done awake nasal fiber optic intubation. Thank you.